Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you the updated way to install revoked tweet apps on your device, no jailbreak and no computer. When I say updated, I don't mean some brand new Magic Man's trick. I mean the existing method using DNS Cloak is now working because the current certificate, which just revoked, fully works with the DNS Cloak method. So this means you should be able to get apps for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and in some instances 1.5 months. We saw with the Toyota certificate that lasted 1.5 months on TutuBox without any issues. I mean, how cool is that, right? I mean, smash like just for that alone. And when you get your tweet apps, smash like on 2 accounts. I don't even care. So we're going to be using TutuBox and AppValley. They both have the certificate, which is working with this trick. And they've blocked the downloads like some other stores. And so let's get started. So first of all, I will leave the link in the description for TutuBox. I'll bring you to my link shortener. This is just to help support the channel, extra ad revenue. So if you want to help support the channel, just use the link in the description instead of going to TutuBox directly. All you need to do is just wait 15 seconds. You're not going to be redirected like TutuBox. So we just press click to continue, then close out this ad, confirm, and then go to link. So now we're brought to the TutuBox page. We'll tap on Risk Revokes. Usually it redirects you. So if you like tap on the screen and it redirects, just close out the redirect. So like usually it like shoves you here, you just close out the redirect. I think it's because I have a an ad blocker on. That's probably why I see no ads. So I'll just tap on install now. And yeah, there's no ads on this site for me, but usually you get ads. So just if you get any, just close out them, right? Sometimes ads say malware detected. If that's the case, it's an ad, so just close out of it. So step number 1, download DNS Cloak. So just make sure you have this installed. Then also download these 2 text files, plug and play method and airplay mode method. So I've already downloaded them because I was recording this video earlier and then I messed up the recording. So yeah, smash like for that, right? And so once we have all that done, we're going to open up DNS Cloak. I don't know why those ads weren't showing up. We'll tap on the triple lines. We'll tap on blacklist and whitelist, enable blacklist. And here's the deal. So we have install_links and install_links too. So you can see one of the text files is smaller than the other. So one has 1 link, the other one has 2 links. So while installing TutuBox and the TutuBox apps, we'll be using install links 1. Once we've finished installing the apps, we're going to use install links 2. You have to follow every protocol, every step in this video, step by step, not pressing that skip button, because every step is vital. And if you don't switch to install links 2 at the right time, your apps are going to revoke. Because remember, we're installing the revoked tweet apps. This method blocks Apple servers. If you mess up, then Apple servers are going to detect that we're installing revoked apps. So we'll just tap on install links_1, and we're just going to go back. We'll select ANA, and we'll just tap on user server and allow. So once we've done this, we'll go to settings, and we'll find general, VPN, enable connect on demand, and then just make sure that you are now connected to the DNS server. So this isn't a VPN, it's not going to unrestrict traffic, it's not going to do anything, it's not going to log you or anything. So it's basically like Cloudflare or like Google's DNS server. And so, yeah. Next, once we're on DNS Cloak, we're going to scroll down until we see Cert 1. I'll change the thing so it says Cert 1 requires DNS Cloak. We'll just tap on that. Install. Now TutuBox will install on the home screen. Now, while we're waiting for TutuBox, don't forget, AppValley exists. So again, I'll bring it to my link shortener. Wait, ads show up here. Interesting. Also, I'll take a look at that. So we'll just close out these ads, and all you need to do is just wait 15 seconds for all the ads to close. So 5 seconds left, and I mean this will bring you to the AppValley page. Looking forward to see if AppValley has ads. We'll just tap on click to continue. Close out this ad. Confirm. Go to link. So on my ads, just not showing up. Okay, there we go. There's a beautiful AppValley advertisement. So you know how it goes. If you see any ads, just close out them and then close out the redirect. So let me go to landscape modes because that's how I can use the app. So let's just get, oh my days, look at that age restriction. So I'm going to get INDS, so I'll just tap on get, close out the redirect, get, install. Now INDS should be installing. So you can see TutuBox worked even though it's revoked, and INDS has worked even though it's revoked. I mean, this is literal magic, right? I mean, it's incredible. So when we try and open up the apps on Trust Developer, the fix is to go to settings, general, device management, enterprise app, and trust. Now, if these apps didn't install and they failed to install, that is because you installed TutuBox or the apps revoked on your device today. And what that means is try and just enable AirPlay mode and try and open up the apps. If that fails, then you're going to have to follow the tutorial in the description. It's not what you want to follow, but it's the only way to get your apps working. So let's just open up TutuBox, working, INDS, also working. So needs to be updated. Anyway, so we'll just open up TutuBox and let's get some applications. So I'm going to get Spotify and I'll also get Delta. I mean, any app you want, you can get. And remember, this tutorial isn't done yet because we still need to enable the second DNS Cloak link, so we are fully protected. So let me just prioritize these downloads. There we go. That should speed up the process. And you're going to see any app you install going to work without any issues. So any moment now, we should see all the apps working. Come on. Delta working, Spotify working. I mean, all these apps work just like they're assigned. But once you have all the apps you want, very important, after you've installed the apps, go to the DNS Cloak, tap on the triple lines, pick blacklist file, and select install under links to install. I can't pronounce, but the one you can see with more links right there. So this blocks both of Apple's server checks, and as long as you do this, you have connect on demand on, and you just keep DNS Cloak on, you should never have to worry about being revoked. So this certificate expires in 3 months. Obviously, certs last 12 months, but this cert was handed out when there's 3 months left for free. And as long as you just follow all the protocol, you should be good to go. Now, if you want to get new applications, you just go back into DNS Cloak, tap on the triple lines, pick blacklist file, and switch it to install _ links. Get your apps, then switch it back. Now, if you ever want to restart your iPhone, this is the danger zone because most people get revoked from restarting because these server checks happen and they happen before DNS Cloak is initiated. So if you ever want to restart your device, you just enable AirPlay mode just like this. I would say wait 30 seconds because if you enable AirPlay mode then restart right away, it will not save the AirPlay mode and it will restart without AirPlay mode and your apps will revoke. So I would say wait 30 seconds, a whole raw 30 seconds, and then once that's done, force restart your iPhone and you should see your apps are fully working. But make sure you open up the apps first, then I'll show you what to do to make sure your apps stay working. So I say 30 seconds has passed. Now we can force restart our iPhone. If we didn't do the process in time, like we restarted right away, then obviously we're going to restart without AirPlay mode and the apps are going to revoke. Again, if this happens, you can fix it. It just requires a factory reset, which not everyone wants to do. And so if you don't want a factory reset, then, I mean, just don't be dumb. That sounds bad, but, like, I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. So, I don't be impatient, just, wait. So, after the restart, you can see AirPlay mode stayed on. And then all you need to do is just open up one app. And then the certificate has now been registered or the device is still signed. And then finally, we can turn off AirPlay mode. And we can make sure the thing turns back on the VPN. So there we go. Excellent. So now if we just check in the VPN settings, it says DNS Cloak is on. If we check the device management page, everything's verified. So nothing's revoked. I can open up TutuBox. And again, if you ever want to install new applications, do the same process. Switch the install links, install your apps, and switch it back to protect from revoke. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash like. Subscribe if you're brand new. Usually I'd spend like 30 minutes explaining this, but thank God DNS Cloak makes things nice and easy. See you guys later. Bye bye.